You don't have to ruin your diet to satisfy your sweet tooth. Instead, we're making 3 macro-friendly ice creams that taste just like premium pints and pack over 40 grams of protein. First up, we'll be making the brownie batter. So for all our bases today, we'll be using Fairlife's Ultrafiltered milk, the 2%, and we're using this because it has 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular milk. So we'll go 1.5 cups or 366 grams of the milk. Now we'll add in this chocolate brownie protein powder. This one's by Clean and Simple Eats, 20 grams of protein, grass-fed whey, and nothing artificial. And this one's gonna be pretty, ooh, a little explosion. Pretty easy to measure. Just gonna dump the whole pack right in. And you can also use vanilla protein powder and cocoa powder if you don't have a brownie batter protein powder. And now for some sweetness, we're using this Cal Sweetener right here. And I'm gonna be putting in 2 teaspoons, which is a serving size of this sweetener. Now for a very important ingredient, the xanthan gum. This is what's gonna make the ice cream nice and thick and creamy as opposed to icy. So all you need is 1/8 of a teaspoon or a little less than 1 gram. If you add too much, it'll get way too slimy and gross, so just be careful. And last ingredient is a bit of an odd one, salt. This is to boost the flavor in the ice cream. So in this case, it'll be the brownie flavor and just a little pinch, nothing crazy. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a mix. So I'm using an immersion blender. I recently got this and found that it's so much better than using a milk frother, blender, or shaker bottle. Those all work, but I think the number 1 mixer for these creamies is gonna be this right here. So I have it on the lowest setting. Just gonna slowly go in. Gotta be careful. Easy as that. Take it off the top, rinse it off quick. Brownie batter is done. This will go into the freezer for 24 hours. Next up, we have the chocolate peanut butter cup. Same thing, 1.5 cups or 366 grams of the ultra filtered milk. And now we're gonna go with this chocolate peanut butter protein powder, again by Clean and Simple Eats. Try not make this one explode like the last one. Oh, nope, it was a bit of a mess. And if you don't have this, you could also use vanilla or chocolate protein powder and some PB Fit. And same thing as the last pint, 2 teaspoons of Cal Sweetener for some sweetness, 1/8 teaspoon xanthan gum, pinch of salt. All right, slowly into the pint and pulse, pulse, pulse. All right, all mixed up. Take this off, clean it off. Peanut butter cup all done. This will go into the freezer as well. Last but not least, the Oreo Blizzard. This one is my favorite, tastes so good. And I'll be showing you a trick on this one, that's a game changer. So first let's add in our milk. And for this one, I'm using Optimum Nutrition's vanilla ice cream protein powder. And this is gonna be 1 serving, which is 31 grams. I lost my scoops, that's why I'm using this one right here. Get 31 grams, 2 teaspoons of the Cal Sweetener, a little bit of xanthan gum, and a teensy weensy bit of salt. And I almost forgot, I'm gonna add in some vanilla bean paste for that premium ice cream flavor. Going about 5 grams. I'm gonna give this a blend, and then I have one more thing to add to this. Here's the game changer. I'm gonna drop in 3 of these mini Oreos. So we'll break them in half. And now here's where we gotta be careful. I'm just gonna pulse this like 1 or 2 times. We're really just trying to turn this into an Oreo base versus a vanilla base. So low setting, and I'm just gonna go pulse, pulse, pulse. Easy as that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in the freezer for 24 hours. So tomorrow, once they're all frozen, we'll be spinning it and adding in the mix-ins. It is the next day, and first up, we have the brownie batter. So what we're gonna do with all these creamies is run it through some warm, hot water first. That way when we spin it, we're not gonna get the icy sides in the pint. Wanna make sure it's all nice and creamy. And once we're done with that, we're gonna drop it in the creamy. I'll show you step by step on this first one. So into this. All right, I'm gonna make sure it's nice and snug. We'll now put it into the creamy. And now light ice cream setting. Let's take a look. All right, so you can see it came out looking like this. Not the most impressive look, but what we're gonna do here, so yeah, it's a little crumbly. All I'm gonna do is just make a hole in the middle from this, because I don't wanna respin this too many times. If I were to respin this and then mix it in, that's more potential to make this too soupy. And I want this nice and thick. So I ideally don't want too many respin and mix ins. So once I get that all done, I'm gonna drop the brownie bites in the middle. and I'm using 28 grams of just brownie bites from Target, which is 1 serving. Now we're gonna drop it back into the creamy, hit full, and we are gonna go mix in. All right, all done mixing in, and we're left with this. And if you did want it a little bit darker, you can use dark cocoa powder. This entire pint has 401 calories and 42 grams of protein. Go ahead and give it a try. You got those brownies just scattered all throughout the ice cream. Personally, I like this better than adding dark cocoa. Brownie batter done, let's go make the peanut butter cup. Did the same thing for the peanut butter cup light ice cream setting. Same thing, came out a little crumbly like that. But have no fear, we're just gonna smooth it out, make a hole in the middle. Always gotta give it a little bit of taste. I'm using these mini peanut butter cups and I just chop them up like that. I'm just using 1 serving, which is 9 of the cups. I'm gonna drop that into the pint. I'm gonna drop back in and we'll go mixing. And there it is, peanut butter cup creamy. All this right here, 461 calories and 43 grams of protein. Let's go ahead and give this one a try. Yep, peanut butter cup, so good. Get a Reese's cup in every bite. Peanut butter cup done, let's make the Oreo Blizzard. Just got done spinning the Oreo Blizzard. Did the same thing as the first 2. Ran it through some warm water, light ice cream setting, and now we're here. All right, so we got a hole in the middle. I got the mini M&Ms. So remember, we used 3 to put in the original mix, and now we got the rest. So we got 6 right here, total of 9, which is 1 serving. I'm gonna drop these into the creamy. All right, back in, full mix in. There it is, Oreo Blizzard. Oh, that texture. All of this is 457 calories and 46 grams of protein. And let's give this one a try. So creamy, so good. Way more macro friendly than a regular Blizzard and tastes just as good.